Welcome to the Mathematics Department 2020 Cereal Eating Challenge. On the Heron side, we've got Mrs. Claywell and Mr. Sutton. Woo! For the Argonauts, we've got Mr. Bear and Mrs. Parsons. Yeah! So a few rules here. Each teacher has 1 cup of cereal. Teacher, show me your 1 cup of cereal. Show us what you're eating. What do you got? Ooh, got some crunch berries, Captain Crunch on the Heron side. Some healthier options, Cheerios kind of things. Are those like peanut butter Cheerios, Mrs. Parsons? Yeah, excellent. All right, so we've got 1 cup of cereal. Teachers, go ahead and pour that in your bowl now. Awesome. Okay. Each teacher has 2/3 a cup of milk. Don't pour it in yet, guys. Mrs. Claywell and Mr. Bear are going to start. They're going to put their milk in their bowls. Don't do it yet. They're going to eat, and then as soon as they're done, they're going to put their bowl over their head, and that's the turn for Mr. Sutton and Mrs. Parsons to go. And I'll be timing this so that you can try to see if you can beat their times. All right, is everybody ready? Let me get my timer set.
I'm so nervous.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Go, Justin! Go!
Oh, I love the cereal crunching sounds. Not really, I hate it. That's some good eating there. Yeah. Miss Claywell really chewing it. Yeah.
Miss Claywell. Go, Justin. I'm off hours in 11 minutes. Speed it up a little bit.
Hurry, 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 hurry. All right, we're at 37 seconds. You can do it. Should we be singing a math song or something while we do this? No? Okay.
Do you have one in mind?
No.
We need to be playing I Am Tiger.
Oh, yeah. Should have had some theme music. Oh, Claywell's getting... I can see right in Claywell's bowl. She's almost done. Mr. Bear, how are you? You close? Come on. Oh, man. So close. Oh, man. Oh, we're at the milk. Oh. Go, 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 go.
Now I got milk head.
Go, 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 go.
Amy. We are Argonauts. We are Argonauts. Oh, I can't. Go, Sutton. Come on, Amy, tunes for the week. Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on.
Here's twinkles.
Does the milk do wonders for your hair?
Without Mary with this right now. Go, Sutton.
Oh, you're approaching their times. Can you do it in 10 seconds? Can you beat them? Son's got some milk in his beard.
That's where half his milk will be, is in his beard.
Yeah. We'll have to squeeze it out at the end. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, Heron takes it! Oh, I forgot to hit stop. Sorry. Yeah! Way to go, Heron. Nice job. So close. Such a close finish.
Good game. Good game.
30 seconds apart. Sorry. Half of a second apart. What did you say?
I was just saying, at least at Riverside, we eat smart. We think about how we chew our food and digest it first.
I think Mr. Sutton and Miss Claywell went by the polls online that said Captain Crunch was the most popular.
Yeah.
So, yeah, something like that. They did tear up their mouth, though, I bet.
You know what?
I think Fruity
We're the
Pebbles
people's champion.
might have taken the win, though.
Ooh, Fruity Pebble. Oh, did it? There were different polls.
There's a few different polls out there.
Yeah. All right. Well, congratulations, Mr. Sutton and Miss Claywell, for winning this challenge. We'll have to do a rematch sometime. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.